Hello, boys and girls. As we get ready to read our new story today, Help, A Story of Friendship, we are going to talk about some of the words you are going to see in the story. Now, over here on the right are some vocabulary words that you may know the meaning of, but you may not. These are the words highlighted in yellow throughout the story. So we're going to talk about what they mean because that will help us better understand the story. So perfectly, okay, we probably know what that means. Perfectly means that something went really well. Like you could say, wow, that test went perfectly. Means you did really well. You did not make any mistakes. There were no problems. It went perfectly. Secret. That means if I tell you something and I ask you not to tell anyone else, I'm telling you a secret. It's something that you're supposed to keep to yourself and not tell anyone. Rescue, that means to save someone. So if someone is in trouble, it means I would rescue them. So I would save them or help them from the danger they are in. We've got bouquet, such as a bouquet of flowers. It's a group or a bunch of nicely and beautifully arranged flowers. And then bandaged. That means you might have hurt some part of your body, your hand, your arm, foot, leg, and I'm going to put some big band-aids around it to wrap it up and make that cut or scrape or whatever the case may be feel better. I'm going to bandage it up. Over on the left-hand side, we have a few words that all have something in common. So look at these words for just a quick second and think, what do they all have that is the same? If you need some extra time to think about it, just pause the video. What they all have that is the same is the ED at the end. And even bandaged has it. The ED at the end, that changes the word when I put that ED ending. Because I could just say hesitate or peer or gasp, but I'm putting the ED on the end for a certain reason. I'm putting that ED on the end to let my reader know that this has happened in the past. Okay, when I use that ED ending, that means it's happened in the past. I'm talking about past tense. Past tense. So I didn't hesitate just now. I hesitated, right? It's already happened. Peered and gasped, same thing. When I put that ED on the end, it's already happened. It's in the past. That's what our ED ending means. Hesitated means to wait or pause, right? You don't just rush right in. You hesitate for a moment. You wait or pause to go on. Peered, that means you're looking at something or someone, and usually with a little bit of difficulty. Like it might be hard to see something. Maybe you are trying to see someone far away, so you're peering around the corner to get a better view or to see them better. You've got gasped. That's when someone goes, right? They gasp. Something scares them or they're very surprised, so they make that sound. They gasp. And then we have the ED, so it happened in the past. As we read through the story, look for these words. These ones over here on the right will be highlighted because those are our vocabulary words. And these ones you'll just see and you'll notice that ED. And as we read, see if you can notice even more ED words in the story.